Good morning, beautiful people. Compliments of the season. I am up early today because I have something amazing to share with you. I'm literally on my way to the shop right now and I'm going to show you the product that will change your life if you're struggling with darkness, dark inner tights. Come with me on this little Christmas morning journey. Let's go. Everyone is out here doing the last minute Xmas shopping. The streets are absolutely packed with Xmas energy. Guys, I'm about to give you the best gift today, confident in my own skin. If you have been hiding your knees and thighs because of dark spots or pigmentation, keep watching because help is on the way. And also, I'll be showing you product to use to clear your dark armpits. Yes, if you're having a dark armpit, you want it to be bright like this, I will show you the best product to use as well. So before showing you the cream to use, I will first of all show you this particular soap, which is Kojic Sans soap. This soap is very nice. If you're having dark armpits, if you're having dark inner tights, get this soap, and this is how to use this soap. You use this soap like this, pour it on your skin, apply this soap on your skin, leave it for like 5 minutes, wash off. This soap is very nice. It helps to clear dark armpits, dark inner thighs, dark elbows, dark knees, pigmentations on your skin. Get this lightening soap. It lightens the skin, and the soap is used 2 to 3 times in a week. Yes, so the next I'll be showing you is this particular cream. This is Icon Beauty for armpit and between legs whitening cream. Guys, this cream is 1 in a million. If you're having dark armpit, dark inner thigh, dark elbows, dark knees, you need this particular cream. It is 100% safety on your skin. Yes, it contains natural ingredients like fruit extract that helps to brighten your skin. Whenever you're having pigmentations on your skin, get this particular cream. It helps to whiten out those areas. Yes, it is for all skin types. And also, I'll be recommending this particular Nivea Brightening Deep Serum Roll-On. This is very active for those of us that are having dark armpits. So if you're having dark armpits, grab this product. Then the next is the Yoko Underarms Whitening Cream. Yes, this cream is very active for some of us that are having dark armpits, serious dark armpits. It works. It contains natural ingredient that is mild on the skin. This product is not harsh, it is mild, and it is for all skin types. So if you're having dark armpits, on the arms cream is the best. This particular cream that I'm holding here is the best. It helps to brighten your armpit. So if you're having dark armpit, this is the first product that you need to get, and it is very affordable in the market. It is product made in Thailand. So if you're looking for a product that will brighten your armpit, this is the best. So guys, the product I've showed you guys is very okay. Yes, it helps to improve wherever you have darkness, dark elbows, dark armpits, etc. So that is the end of my video. See you guys in my next video, and happy Christmas, Merry Xmas, Happy New Year in advance. I wish you all the best in this Xmas season.